Hi there. If you don't want to update Microsoft Office in your Mac PC but still the notification comes, then this video is going to help you the best less than a minute. I have installed MS Office 2021 in my Mac PC. Let's disable auto update notifications. Come to Settings. Then General. Find Login Items and Extensions. Here you may find two MS Office related icons. Simply turn them off. Put your password and these will get disabled. From now on, no update related notification will come to you anymore. Hope this helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.